Today we are doing something different. It's not gonna be your ordinary shop vlog. It's not gonna be me doing anything around the house. Today I am taking you guys to Hiroshima. We are going to Hondori Street, which is a shopping district in Hiroshima. Let's go. What is good, YouTube? It's your boy Facade, and I'm back with another video from Japan. Right now we are in downtown Hiroshima. As I told you guys, we're doing something different today. Figured I'd take you guys to Hondori, which is the shopping area of Hiroshima. Hopefully you all enjoy the vlog. Probably will not be doing a lot of talking, probably be a lot of B-roll, just so you guys can enjoy the sights and sounds of Hiroshima. I haven't been down here in a minute. It's probably been better part of almost 2 years. I think right before I went to Guam was the last time I came down here. So yeah, I'm sure not much has changed, but you all enjoy. Now, right off the beaten path of Hondori, there's a spot that a lot of foreigners love to visit when they come here. And I guess it's I don't know, I guess it's like a landmark or a staple for Hiroshima, but that building right there in front of us, right there, is a okonomiyaki building. So actually, I think it's that one of these two buildings. is the Okonomiyaki building. And a thing that's famous, a reason it's famous, is because they serve traditional Hiroshima okonomiyaki, which is like a Japanese pancake, so to speak, with vegetables in it and some other stuff. I don't really eat it. I'm not really fond of it, but a lot of foreigners love it. And if I'm not mistaken, I think it's both of these buildings, because if you can see on the stairwell right there, we'll get a little closer, but they have the symbol for okonomiyaki with spatulas. They have the male and the female on the steps. So yeah, if you guys come to Hiroshima, this is one of the buildings. This is, I think, oysters, yeah, raw oysters. But then this other building as well.
오코노미야키 어떻습니까? 테이블석 있습니다. 2층에 부팅.
Maybe that's just the park, and I don't know, because I don't frequent this place. I've never actually been in it. But yeah, we're in downtown Hiroshima. I need to run an errand for a friend while I'm here. Don't know how I'm going to get back what he's requesting, but we'll see what happens. I might have to mail it to him. He wants me to pick up 3 pair of sneakers that are exclusive only here in Japan. So I'll pick them up and then figure out how to get them back to Guam after that. But right now we're on the back side, as I said, of Hondori. And there's nothing really down here but a bunch of other little shopping areas. But we're gonna cover only Hondori today. Hondori is pretty long, and there are a lot of little offshoots to Hondori Street, which we probably won't go through either, because it'll probably take me at least an hour, and I don't want to make the video too long. So we'll get to our tour now, and I might pop in and out to show you guys different things, but for the most part, it's just going to be a bunch of B-roll.